Chapter 8 Kerala God's Own Country. India, our country, is huge and beautiful land, full of wonder, which is known for its diversity in region, language, food, culture, festivals, and states. And each state has its incredible beauty of heritage as well as nations. So, today we'll be reading about Kerala, which is also known as God's own country. Kerala is also called God's own country, which is located between the Lakshadweep Sea and Western Ghats. Western Ghats is a mountain range covers an area of 140,000 square meter. Peaceful, it is one of the most peaceful and cleanest states of India. Kerala has a wet and maritime tropical. Maritime tropical, it means sea tropical, which are connected with sea. Okay, so Kerala is beside the sea. Influenced by seasonal heavy rain of southwest summer monsoon and northeast winter monsoon. It is believed that Kerala or Keralam, as it's called by Malayali people, comes from Kera, which means coconut, and Alam, which means land. Okay. In other words, it means the land of coconut. So Kerala is also known as land of coconuts. First, it's known as God's own country, and the next we can say that it's called as land of coconut. Okay, Kera it means coconut and Alam it means land. Probably because of the number of coconut trees in the state. So why Kerala is known as land of coconut? Because we can see a number of coconut tree in this state. Kerala gives to the motherland so many of the things we need every day. The state has been a major spice exporter. Okay, exporter it means which sends goods of sale to the other state or country. Exporter since 3000 BC, and it is still referred to as the Garden of Spices or the Spice Garden of India. So Kerala is a state where we can get so many things which we need every day. Okay, and thus it is also known as Garden of Spices or Spice Garden of India. Pepper, the king of spice. Okay, so pepper is also being found there, which is a king of spices. King of spices is grown all over the state. In addition, cardamoms, nutmegs, cloves, star anise, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and tamarind are also important spices that grow so easily in this spice ball. So these are the spices which we use daily in our food. You can get this into your kitchen. So are also important spices that grow so easily in this spice ball. Spice ball here it means where many spices are found. Do you love vanilla ice cream or vanilla flavored chocolate or cake? Vanilla first grown in Mexico was brought to India and grows in Kerala. So we everybody love to have ice cream, yes, and they have a different flavors like vanilla and chocolate, and also it also have flavor in cakes too. So vanilla, which is a very sweet flavor, was first grown in Mexico and then brought to India and grows in Kerala. It is the second most expensive spice in the world market. Vanilla essence is used in the preparation of ice creams, chocolates, cakes, pastries, pudding and soft drinks, and also in perfumes and soaps and other things. Okay, so this vanilla essence actually gives a very sweet flavor in food. Next is banana grow all over Kerala. A special variety of banana cultivated in the Kerala soil is a part of the daily menu of the Malayalis. There are coffee, coca, and tea plantation also. So what we see is Kerala, in Kerala we can see they grow bananas and also coffee, coca and tea plantation also. Okay, people from other country, the rubber plant is not a native plant of India but Dutch colonialists Colonialist, it means the people from other countries who come and take control over government in other countries. Okay, so who had a rubber plantation in Indonesia brought the plant to Kerala because of its similar tropical climate. So we can see here that even the vanilla plant was first grown in Mexico, then brought in India. And in which state? In Kerala. Then we can see is a rubber plantation which was first grown in where? A plant of which was grown by Dutch. Yes, then it was brought, then the plant was brought to Kerala. Because why? Because it has a similar tropical climate as Indonesia. Today there are many rubber plantation here.